This is Zendaya, an actress and singer. Her skin is flawless, her hair is styled nicely, and she has a youthful, athletic build with a charmingly wide smile. 8/10.
Hey guys, welcome back. Last video I showed you the Arc Reactor, model viewer, 3D model inside Jarvis, voice control. Today something different. I gave Jarvis eyes. It can look at your screen, open photos, recognize who is in them, and rate them. It means, yeah, he can rate, for example, if you rate some person from 1 to 10. Yeah, something funny, but I thought that it will be quite interesting skill. Yeah, first of all, let's begin with quick demo. First of all, I will open a photo. Hey Jarvis, open photo 1.
Opening photo 1 of 1.
Thanks, Jarvis.
You're welcome, sir.
And there it is. Photo opens right inside the UI. No browser, no file explorer, just appears on an overlay. Now, hey Jarvis, who is on the picture?
A few moments later.
This is Zendaya, an actress and singer.
Rate her.
A few moments later.
Her skin is flawless, her hair is styled nicely, and she has a youthful, athletic build with a charmingly wide smile. 8/10.
Thank you, Jarvis.
You're welcome, sir.
The kind of response I wanted. No, she has striking features and elegant presence like a guy talking to his friends. Specific, direct, with a number at the end. And this also runs locally, no data leaves my machine. That's the reason why it take a bit longer, because I'm loading the vision model only if I need him, because it took a lot gigabytes of RAM on my GPU, so I'm using it only when I need it. So yeah, it took a little bit long, I know it, but yeah, maybe in the future I will be able to fix it a little bit and save some time. Let me show you another photo. Hey Jarvis,
Yes, sir.
close photo.
Photo closed.
Open photo 2.
Opening photo 2.
Who is on the picture?
A few moments later.
This is Miriam Margolyes, a British actress known for her roles in films like Harry Potter and Pride and Prejudice.
Rate her.
A few moments later.
Her weathered skin, sparse grey hair, and slightly crooked teeth show her age, but she has a kind face. 5/10.
Thank you, Jarvis.
You're welcome, sir.
So as you can see, he is also able to rate someone non-perfect. He was really kind because he said, but she has a kind face, and then he rated her 5 points from 10. But actually, I'm not sure if the things what he said about her, who is she, was some name from Harry Potter. Actually, honestly, I don't know. I've downloaded this photo from the internet. I will check it later. But I think that this should be some unknown women. I don't know. The model is not perfect, but he's trying to be close to perfection. Maybe I will quite change the temperature, which is possible to give him a small tolerance to perfect shot. If he is not able to recognize any famous person or singer or actor, he will just easily say, I don't know, I don't recognize who is on the photo. And that's great. That I wanted to say, no hallucination, etc. Just clear true. Yeah, that's it. He is able to open photo by my voice, close the photos by my voice. He should be recognized who is on the photo. If it's clear visible who is on the photo, He can recognize, as he said, the Zendaya actor and singer, and also he was able to rate her something about her hair and etc. And also he's able to rate someone who is not like perfect and gave him the rate. And as you saw, he's a kind, so it means he will not give you 1 or 0 because you're ugly and you don't have a teeth. He say like, oh, 5 because she have kindly face, and which is great actually. I like it. I like it. I like the prompt that I create. Let me show you the architecture quickly. I'm not going to go deep into code, just the big picture. We have 3 layers. The blue one, input, microphone, voice detection, whisper transcription. Red, routing, wake words, then either a direct command, open browser, show model things like open browser, show model, things like that. Or it goes to skill matching, skills. And this is the new stuff: vision, photo viewer, face recognition, rating. The interesting part here is how it decides which skill to run. Originally, it was just keyword matching. If you say exactly what you see, it triggers vision. But what if you say who is on the picture that's not in the list? So I added semantic matching. Every skill has an embedding, basically a fingerprint of its meaning. When you say something, your sentences get embedded too and compare against its skills. The closest match wins. That's why you can say, can you recognize someone on this photo, or do you know who this is? And it still routes correctly. You don't have to remember exact phrase. Let's talk about what's wrong and what I need to fix to another video and show you how I fixed that. The first thing is that he's able to open photos, but sometimes if I say, for example, number 2, like open photo 2, so he don't know if I mean like number or some other word. So he's sometimes quite hallucinating and don't know what I exactly mean. So yeah, maybe it's because my accent isn't perfect and I'm able to say it correctly, but this is the things that I need to fix to next video. And another thing is recognition, because I think that he wasn't able to perfectly recognize this lady, and I want to fix it because it needs to be perfect. I wanted to have it perfect, no hallucinating, just say yes, this is and this person and this person and this person, or say just I don't know, I'm not sure, or I don't recognize her, because I don't think that this is a good way to guess something. It doesn't look great. Yeah, I didn't mention that the model for recognition of the people calls InsightFace. Yeah, everything Claude Code told me that I should use this one, and my idea was to loading the model only when I'm using it, because I didn't want to let him to give me like other like 10 gigabytes of GPU during the using Jarvis. So that's Jarvis with vision. What I like most is that it feels natural. You just say what you mean and it figure it out. You don't have to remember commands. Next, I want to add more to this, better follow up memory, maybe real-time object, highlighting on screen. We will see. If you have any questions for Jarvis, how it works or something, just you can comment under the video, and I will be grateful for some follows. Thank you guys.